amasain chi mai le vek ule he rose par moi tak hi kan in kan le 2002 kum khanin ani tu ten an lo phunsa ani a ni kum lam pangkhan kan dek kan siam tha a kan ti zawa wangin he rose par moi tak hi abula tanga kan kar chua kan son angai ta a ni kum chung zong khan pota kan da a tun kuma ero chuanin kan huan lama phun turin kan buat saya vo in march ni som pakhathian ka fanuin min ron puya hei kan han ti dun don ani
later
ke ni tar lam to tan chuanin compost hi arit ema chuwang chuanin ka fanu hianin min han
that can go with the rest of the garden so that's
tuna a compost hi pounds somnga zen ania za somnga wheelbarrow hiana la chawani kan fa te hi Hnathawh kan zirtir na sale an te tangin an man phot chuanin titura kan ti hi kan request hi chu min hial ngai lawa chuwang chuan kan lawm mani pathian mal somna po anin ka shia kan zirtir ve na sa a topa chuan a pay off ve win ka shia ni.
yeah once I fill out the with the soil like kan rose hi kan han transplant ange ka in bulami khania kan la chua ka pata hian ka dama se eta hianin voina chuan kan han phun son ange ka fanuin min ran pui thei boka you have to make it really wide, okay, bit there. Yeah, lay ni rasura le nom boka te mina all some de ulet don the other one, this one. Yeah, you gotta make it really big, the size of the opening of the bucket. So you said, do you want a bigger shovel? Yeah, a bigger one will do. Hold on.
Chen te tan chuan vidya hi a ho point mai the ma se kan fa
don
Hnathawh pui min shelo don te hi ka mo hianin
another
thina chuwang chuan karon share
rose
vele
bush, but
mai box chewani
yeah, it's not hard, right? Because we put there's some soil in there.
te tangin kan fa te hi Hnathawh kan zirtira chang chuanin an du lo chung te kan ti lui thin fawa amero chu tuna chuanin an len tu hian chuan thil tam tak hi an thra thiama
Maybe you know where the soil is, the black soil. Yeah,
kan
that's fine.
hianin min phatsan ngai lawa chu alom om ve em ani.
See, this is what we're gonna plant. It's gonna have to be
Mani in ru
quite
alu
big.
sur to wangin lehi anip deva chu wang chuanin le po hi all sam de lekin kan lai theya alomam hle maya amero chu lehi
I need to cut
chuanin alo tam thei kho
the stem
hi
here.
wheelbarrow khat de tho rose phun na tur kan han lai chhuak hi
There's so many rocks in our garden. It's unbelievable.
kan huana hian lung atamem ema kanu dam lai po khanin an thur huan ani lai khanin lung hi
Maybe get the smaller one.
kan
That's a
payanga
lot of soil.
ama khop maya ka sha thiam cha lawani keipon kan rosi anun lo ka lo wangin a khur thuk takin kan laya later compost
Half of that,
kan han mix
maybe
boka
put all that. Yeah, it's fine. Put all that. Because we're gonna get everything out from there. Just make sure there's no rocks in the compost. Sometimes there's rock. Yeah, that's good.
kan ros khur chona tang chuan le kan la chuak nim hle maya mai ro chu hei hi thanglama ka raised bed tharatan khwanin ka mang thei dona Lawm om ve tha ve.
Okay, we need to get the yeah, we need to get it out slowly. Just kind of mix it a little bit with the compost. Okay. We gotta get the stuff out from the top first. Yeah, there's. Yeah, so shake
it's already
it.
breaking.
Yeah, shake it a little bit, shake it around.
I mean, it's already.
Oh yeah.
I don't want to do that one.
Can you just
It's okay. I got the gloves on.
Yeah.
I don't want it to spill out here though.
Dump it out slowly. It doesn't have to be inside, yeah.
But doesn't it make more sense for me to put it inside?
Okay.
Roll it a little bit so it's wiggling
Okay.
out.
Alright. Now you can
Kan
pull it
fa
out.
ten Hnathawh Hreh mia lawa kan tirna le kan request na min ron ti puitlin tir
Okay,
thei
and
hi
then we can put
Lawm om hi
the rest
ka
of
ti
the
ve shim
topsoil.
shima
Is there more?
chuwang chuanin karon share du ve cheu nia Daphne po fa pangalai nein
Okay. And
fa te po
put the rest of the soil.
tangval thau an ni to ma se soisel lovin min la ron puizel thin hi achunga ka Lawm em ani.
Yeah. Yeah, make sure there's so many rocks, right? Yeah, use a shovel to get it in.
Khati song kha tu na ka lo share le thei cheu chu ni ka Lawm em thank you so much and God bless.
Kan ros kan phun zo ta.